from Battalion 41. We're going to go over how to lash a patient into a Stokes basket. First thing you need to know is the setup of the webbing. Note we've got a loop going up here. Should be going like that. And then the next one is a loop up here to go over the patient's head. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do, run this loop over the patient's head and come down to about the nipple line here. This we're going to be able to webbing coming out of his armpit. And at the same time kind of cinching it down to be right at the nipple line. Okay, we're going to use this triangle right here to feed our rope under, or our webbing under. Hold our thumb here. And then back down through so your tail is heading towards the patient's feet, and that's going to form just a simple overhand knot to secure the patient's chest. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to secure these the ends of the webbing to this post here. Make sure not to go here or over the top. And you do that by doing one round turn followed by 2 half hitches. Making sure to cinch it down tight. Got it. Okay, the very next thing we're going to do is cinch this bite of webbing up to about the patient's waist and run our other ends of webbing underneath. And do the same thing as we did on top. So we're going to send our webbing under and then back through, forming an overhand knot with the tail this time heading toward the patient's head. Okay, as soon as that's done, you're going to attach your piece of webbing to a post in the same fashion with one round turn followed by 2 half hitches. As soon as that's complete, you're going to lash the patient with an exterior webbing, which you want to make sure it's even. You're going to wrap it around, this one. You're going to wrap it around this bar here. So your main point, so you want to secure the knees, the waist, and the chest. this happens when we run out of webbing, you're going to grab a piece of green webbing, tie a simple water knot, attach your lashing. Continue the operation. You want to go, you can do a tie first, make sure you have enough, and then I'll pull out the slack. Got it. If you need more. So as soon as one end's tied, the other end you're going to pull out all the slack. Make sure that the patient is nice and secure, and then you're going to tie off your webbing using a round turn and 2 half hitches.